What's up, guys? Shev incredible. Back in the studio again, you know what I mean? Yeah. Just making a beat, you see what I'm saying? This one, I like it. So, just making a review. Not really a review. Just letting you guys see the whole review of what I'm doing. Or, just make you guys just listen to what I have real quick. Shev Incredible Music Entertainment. Listen to this. This one is lit. Okay. It's gonna be a feature, so look out for it. Marking. Shev Incredible Music. Just add this in, so let me hear it real quick. Let's see if I can mix it in. Mix it in. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Alright. Jump it back from the top. Shev Incredible. Yeah. You already know. In the studio, Bill. In the studio, chill. Shev Incredible. Everything, Mrs. Q. If you wanna see me, Mr. Over your knee. Give me your back, give me your PS. Hold me until you say you wait. Alright, then you sick and then sick. You must be flow, then you sick and then sick. Violate me, pull me, then thicker than thick. What's it? You're incredible. send it further. Let's record for it. There's no other mad thing.